This device will not be tested. No further test will be done on this device. And as far as this video goes, this is the end of the video for this particular device. We'll be going back into its box. And I have the IMEI number on here as well. Okay, and this 6 Plus is still charging. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to my last package. A rose gold iPhone 6s. Go ahead and power that on. The power button is stiff. Right out the bat. We've got some thickening there of the screen. The device is already set up, so I'm going to just take it into settings, general, and about. Show the IMEI number. This is a 32 gigabyte. There is the IMEI number. Again, we'll place the device at the edge of the table. Nothing on the flat glass surface. Nothing on the back of the device. I'm going to hang the camera off the edge. And I am getting a slight bend there. I'm going to see if the tempered glass will go under it. It is a mild bend, but a bend nonetheless. So when I press, it's not going as easily as some of the other ones. Right there. Yeah, it's a twisted bend. Now, let me make sure that there isn't any little piece of dirt or anything on there. This is a very mild bend. I'm going to go ahead and set the device. I'm going to go ahead and do some preliminary tests on the device, and then we'll fully test the device. So the side lock button is stuck. Home button is not working all the time. That is not good. Go back into settings. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Aside from this button, it's not clicking. This is another iPhone, but you hear the clicking. That's what happens when you click it. But here, it's still doing the function, but there's no clicking, so something's not right in there. That's not as it should be. The button is pressed down in. It's not sticking out the way that it should. And not working every time. So I will go ahead and test this device fully. Home button is also not. This is it's floating, which is not a good thing. It should not be floating. So we will test this device. This is the end of the video for this device. I'm going to go ahead and write the information on this one. See if we can wrap this up. Alright, well, this device, we've been 18 minutes now, and no charge. So what I'm going to do is show the external IMEI number as best I can. The last four are 4721. So we'll call this device 4721, and I'm going to place it at the edge of the table. We're going to do the bend test on this device. Once again, there's nothing on the flat glass surface, nothing on the back of the shell. Hanging the camera off of the edge, and definitely a bend. So this device has a bend. You can clearly see that. If I'm not, the tempered glass, if I'm not pressing on it, it taps. When I press on the end, the bottom lifts up because the shell is curved. So we will not be doing any more testing on this device once it turns on. I will we will try to get it charged up. But at this point, the external IMEI will have to be sufficient for identification purposes of this device. This is the end of this video.